So we have here's question A. F is a function such that the input, whatever the input happens to be, is squared. It's multiplied by a letter A, and then a letter B is added onto it. Once we've done that, we then get the output. Okay? It says find the value of A given that f of 2 equals f of minus 4. First of all, I'm going to find out what f2 is. It's 2 squared plus A times 2 plus B, which means it's 4 plus 2A plus B. Following that, not equals minus 4, equals f of minus 4. So following that, I'm going to find out what f of minus 4 is. F of minus 4 is minus 4 squared plus A times minus 4 plus B. Minus 4A plus B plus 16. What I do know is that this one, which is this one here, equals this one, which is this one here. Therefore, it's logical to put them both equal to each other. Okay? So I'm going to put them both equal to each other and see what happens. 4 plus 2A plus B equals minus 4A plus B plus 16. What's on both sides? The B's cancel. Bring over the 4A and it becomes 2A plus 4A. Bring the 4 over to your side, what happens? Which is 12. 6A equals 12. A therefore equals 2. A equals 2. Okay, what's the second part then? Okay. Anybody want me to... Any questions on this one? So A equals 2. Okay. So when A equals 2, the function now becomes, the f function now becomes f of x, f of whatever it is the input squared. A is now the number 2, so it's going to be 2 times whatever the input is, plus B. What are we asked for? F what? So minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. And what's the output when the input is minus 5? The output is 12. 25 minus 10 plus B equals 12. 15 plus B equals 12. What does B have to be? On its own, or minus 3. Yeah, it's okay. Bring it over to your side. B is minus 3. Yes? Oh. So f of 2 equals 4 as opposed to f of 2 equals f of minus 4. What this means is that f of 2 equals 4 means that the output for 2 is 4. However, f of 2 equals f of minus 4 means the output for when the input is 2 is equal to the output when the input is minus 4. So you have to do both of them separately. X is 2. It's the same as the output for when the input is minus 4. Replace the x's with 2 is equal to when you replace the x's with minus 4s. Okay? Yeah, for this question only. You're told that they're equal to each other, so you put them equal to each other, and then you realise that you can find out what one of the letters is. Because it's a find question, it's find the values of A and B. Okay. A little bit. Now 11. F of x is 2x plus A, g of x is 3x plus B. Basically, f of x is 2x plus a. G of x is 3x plus b. Lee, what's the input on f of x? What's the input? What represents the input? No, just this formula here, you're right, but just this formula here, what's the input? X is the input. Okay? So, therefore, input is 2, output is 7. So, f of 2 is what, guys? F of 2 is 2 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is 4. 4 plus a equals, what does a have to be? 3. It's not too bad. What about the next one? G of 3 is, G of 1. 3 times 1 plus b equals, what's the output? 3 plus b is minus 1. B equals minus 4. It's not too bad. 11. 11 wasn't bad. Okay, this one here. Bit more difficult. Question 14. Have we done it last day as well? Okay. It's just part 2. I might as well do part 1 while I'm here though. H3 is 2 times 3 minus a. H3 is equal to 1. 6 minus a equals 1. A equals 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Alright, k, which is kx is equal to ax plus b. I already found out what a was though, didn't I? So it's 5. Yes. When you bring it over to your side, you're going to get minus a equals to minus 5. You're correct. Then multiply both sides by minus 1 to get equals to 5. I didn't even bring it over. I just said, what number when you take away from 6 gives you 1? I just said 5. Okay. Now, I have to input what, guys? 5. So 5 goes in here. So what we say is 5 times 5 plus b equals 8. 25 plus b equals 8. What is b? 8 minus 25? Huh? Minus 17 is what b is. Everybody alright with that? Now, hence, list the values of x for which h of x is bigger than k of x. When is h of x bigger than k of x? Okay, what is h of x again? Somebody call it out for me. Okay, h of x is 2x minus 5 because a is 5. What's k of x? 5x minus 17. So, when is 2x minus 15 or minus 5 bigger than or equal to? When is 2 times the number minus 5 bigger than 5 times the same number minus 17? What values will do that? Bring the x's to one side. So you're going to get 2x minus 5x is greater than or equal to minus 17 plus 5. Everybody right with that? Now, minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 12. When you multiply two inequalities by by minus 1, the inequality has to change direction. Can anybody tell me why? Can anybody give me an everyday example to verify what Cameron just told me? Pick two numbers. 7 and 11. 11 is bigger than 7. Multiply both sides by minus 1. Should I keep it the same way? So therefore, if you do that for all numbers, you must do it here as well. X is a smaller number than 4. Is that okay? It's revising from chapter 1, the algebra chapter you knew so well not too long ago. Okay? Well, most of us. Now, what we have next is G1 equals 2, G minus 1 equals 6. Write down two equations in A and B. Okay, Declan, what do we do with G1? Yeah. Okay, so very easy to make an attempt here, isn't it? Just replace all the x's with 1s. Even if you aren't going to get it completely correct, you're still on a equals the output of 2. We're going to get a plus b, bring the 1 over the other side, and what do we get? Equals 1. What type of equation is that? 2 letters, 1 equation. We probably need a second equation from somewhere. Okay, what does the next one say? G of minus 1. So, what do I do with these brackets here? Put minus 1 in them. Equals 6. A, because minus 1 squared is 1. A minus B. A minus 1. Bring the 1 over to your side. 5. What do we do now? Okay. What? Get rid of the green circles there. Oh. Okay. Now what do we do next? Add downwards, yeah? 2a equals 6. A therefore equals 3. But wait, you're not done yet. No. You're not done yet by a long shot. Gotta find out what B is. Sub A and 3 plus B equals 1. Always one last little bit left, isn't there? B minus 3. B equals minus 2. So what we get here is... Where's part 3?